Welcome to Life with Martha. And you know what? I want to say a big, huge thank you to everybody who warmly welcomed this new journey of mine. And please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. If you don't already have a Gmail account, please create one and just go create a YouTube account and just subscribe. You see the subscribe button somewhere? Just hit it and leave a comment for me. You could share the video if you like it. That would be so awesome. Thank you to those of you who are watching from my page Beyond Beauty, and I urge you also to go_underscore Beyond Beauty and follow my page over there, and also Life with Martha on Instagram to subscribe, like, and share. Anyway, so today I think I am going to tell you about why I actually stopped doing makeup for a while. It there were various reasons that I stopped doing so. I still did it on a very small scale, and one of the biggest reasons is I work full time, and the type of job that I am in, it's very limiting to me in very many ways. When people usually would like to have their makeup done at a particular time, and I'm not able to do so because of work commitments. So it was a big reason. Another factor is, believe it or not, in St. Lucia, well, I don't know if it is for me or perhaps the type of occupation that I have. People frowned at me for wanting to do something different or wanting to do um, a freelance sort of occupation. They thought, and I got the comments all the time. It was so discouraging, telling me things like, oh, you have that big job. I don't know what that big job is, to be honest. But these are the comments that I got. Oh, you have that big job. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? And a lot of people, believe it or not, think that I am so rich already, and so I should not have to be doing this type of things. Now, the thing about makeup too is, though I am very versed in theory and also practice, but the more you do it, you become more fluid with your motions, you become faster and more precise. So a lot of people want to come to me and their function is at 2 p.m. and they want to come at 1 p.m. And that's just not possible for me to be able to create my best work ever. So whilst I noticed that they would be making their appointments and paying in advance to the other artists around, with me, they wanted to do it last minute, and they want me to perform at a particular standard within a very short space of time. Now, again, maybe some people are right. I just did not have the time for that. I thought to myself, well, girl, you have a job, the people maybe are right. You don't need to do this. It is something that I really enjoy doing. I enjoy doing makeup, so I went to cosmetology school for that, and I got certified, and I figured, well, why not? Why can't I just provide the services and get some extra coins? Coins don't fight together. And I just found our society, our culture just frowned upon that aspect of it. So I got so very discouraged. Another thing happened to me. I actually taught at the NRDF, and oh boy, glad be offering classes soon. Those people who got trained by me, they could give you wonderful reviews. Well, some moment in my life for me to be able to provide that particular service. And something happened there, which will be in a story time soon. And man, this thing just totally I just at that point lost almost all my passion for doing any makeup. So, I actually allow these things to discourage me. I did. Because another thing to I was thinking, girl, maybe these people are right, You have your job. You have your job, and it's a good one, so maybe they are right. But to myself, you know what, girl? You're so silly. If I like to do it, I should just do what it is I like. Open. Advertise your services and your customers will come. I would have accomplished something. So this is the reason why I've come back and I said, you know what? I'm not letting anybody push me out of this game. There are 170 something thousand people in St. Lucia to offer special services to my more mature people around my age, we just want to look very good, but we do not want a lot of those loud, outrageous lashes, the very contoured faces, the overly highlighted and cheekbones and that sort of thing. Just nice, simple, classy makeup. This is what I do at Beyond Beauty. So I'm expecting to see you soon. And please subscribe to my channel to help me on this journey. It is a journey of self-awareness. It is a journey that I'm embarking on where I'm going to put myself out there and do what I love. And because I love it, it does not really matter how many clients I get, how much negativity is out there. This time I'm just sticking to it, and the sky is the limit. This is my philosophy now. If you're not in it, you cannot win it. And that's just it. So I'm hoping that I could see some of you, because I know a lot of you are saying, oh, I don't need any makeup. I don't like to wear it. I don't know how to wear it. Come on, guys. You don't need to wear any eyeshadow like I have. You just need to take care of your skin. You need to try to get some foundation, put it on, especially if your skin is a bit discolored or you have uneven skin tone and look good for a particular occasion that you may be going to a little party. You just want to look different. I can provide that service to you. And guess what? When you're in my chair, you will get a full consultation. I will tell you what foundation is good for you. I will tell you what colors would be perfect for your skin tone. And I will just tell you whatever you need to know on how you need to care for your skin. So when you've left my chair, you're not leaving empty-handed. You're going to be leaving with a wealth of information that will help you. Because as you get older, your skin begins to need more attention. Thank you again. And I'm hoping that I continue to get your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see